In today's digital workplace, mastering professional email greetings is crucial for effective business communication. Whether you're corresponding with colleagues, clients, or potential partners, the right greeting sets the tone for your entire message and reflects your professionalism. This comprehensive guide will provide you with 100 useful email phrases, business language phrases, and practical tips to improve English vocabulary for professional success. Why professional email greetings matter. Your email greeting is the first impression you make in written communication. It establishes the relationship dynamic, shows respect for cultural norms, and demonstrates your business language proficiency. According to recent studies, professionals who use appropriate email greetings are 40% more likely to receive positive responses to their requests. A well-crafted greeting can open doors to new business opportunities, demonstrate cultural awareness and respect, establish professional credibility, set the appropriate tone for your message, improve response rates significantly. Essential professional email greetings by context. Formal business greetings. Dear Mr./Ms. last name. Dear full name. Good morning/afternoon name. Semi-formal greetings. Hello first name. Hi name. Good morning name. Casual professional greetings. Hi name. Hello.